The matter of vigilante and the matter of killings and the matter of say people go inside bush, go farm, they don't come back. And the matter of say how the people when we say they do vigilante, they help us. How they able to they enter. These are some of the matters that when we want to look now. The security situation for Edo State, especially for the one in BCSA concern this matter. Somebody talk yes, the one local government chairman just call and say Sado Okodena Okogelewa there according to them and not be Bini. We got somebody here when we say go talk to us for this kind of matter. Two people when say their head sharp or for this kind of matter. And secondly too, because they, in a way or the other they don't get some level of experience when they go like to share with us. Oga Lucky Igbinovia, welcome to our program.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
God bless.
Thank you. Oga Lucky Igbinovia and I be the intelligence head of intelligence for Edo State Joint Vigilante Group. Welcome again. Oga Monday Osaibovo and I be the immediate past commissioner for local government affairs for Edo State. And our person will be saying, we talk about local government. And for local government, this is the happen. And even for your own local government too, you get some experience when we say would like to share with us. Oga Monday Igbinovia, welcome to our program. And with you, you don't say, you know, the ESCO members, now grammar, they speak. We don't speak grammar for here.
Grammar for
Okay, like where are you?
I'm a village man.
Hey, I want to find out for you. You might start with you, Oga Lucky Igbinovia. I want to find out because the issue of recruitment into the system, I want to put down the doubt these days. Because last Saturday here, for medical stores roads, some people come out, they just park motor, 2 vehicles, they say they be vigilante, they enter people's shop, park their things, park drinks, collect phone, collect money, they drive come out. They can't run the wear, they show vigilante. They go and be say they carry long go and they carry the bomb vigilante this thing for this thing. People only for the area come with the know, say okay, they don't even know that they were they go say maybe that person, he hand not clear. You know clear. I mean, they won't be say they come for that. But at the end of the day, they come discover say they be robbers and the rest. Are we saying say robbers don't take over? This is not work when we say concern Edo State Joint Vigilante Group.
Thank you very much, my brother. You see, in everything, what people they do, get as people still enter. Like those who will go that place, they are not our vigilante member.
Okay, now that vigilante they be.
And they are not also a vigilante member.
Okay.
By special grace of God, hand will meet them. Because we hear that matter and we don't put on investigation on that matter.
Okay.
Because none of, as you see, none of the vigilante men will go do that kind of thing for medical store that will dress like that.
Okay.
You will see say some area, some armed robber, they wear police uniform, go to the road. So they wear army uniform, go to the road. But those one, where go do this one for medical store road, and the grace of God have a hand in them, they are not vigilante men at all.
All right. May I come meet you, Oga Osaibovo Monday. Now you they come from village now. And now you know where to be say the apple. I want to make a bit say I take you back. The Edo State governor, the other time, about some days back, he entered my communities and the rest. And he talk about this matter when we say concern insecurity and all of that. For the area and for that area when we say yes, say it pass. I want to find out how safe una dey now and what is the present situation for that place because now you they come from there now.
Well, thank you very much. First of all, before I answer that one, make I also suggest how then my brother go fit catch those people what we talk about now. I believe so that every vigilante should have a number, so that as they do on that day, the people go get their number, they will get their name for back. Where they do the vigilante, go see they do uniform. So with that one, it go easy for them to always catch anybody where do bad among them.
Oga Lucky, tell us the last time you say come and say they are very, very open to suggestions. So they go feel they get a suggestion, put them together, look at them, make them know how it be say yes, say it take work. But you get what I tell you, it's not be everything that they tell person because our security matter.
No, that is very correct. That is very correct.
So
I agree with you for that. So I just do that my suggestion.
Okay.
For Odigi area now, I can say since the visit of the governor, the place is quiet. But what the governor talked that day that they were going to swim into action, and I'm sure that action is taking place.
So what do we mean now? Be say anywhere governor go now,
Not
no
to-
get insecurity matter there.
No,
again.
not anywhere where governor
you say
go.
when we say don't go
If
there,
governor not even go,
Uh,
there are people where they work for governor.
okay.
And the only thing I want to really beg our people is when you see, make you talk.
Okay.
I want to really beg them. It not concern me. Na Igbonovia farm that day, na Sado farm that day. Me not the farm for that. I not the farm for that side.
side,
Make we leave that one. This thing na for everybody.
I should be working.
Because if one person die, make person not die, nobody go farm that day for that village. Everybody now go, even those who are not there in the village, will come with them, Igbonovia who are not there in the village, they will go, come, they go for search party. So anytime when you see new person for the village, with the matter how, whether he dress well or he not dress well, he dress fine, or you see new person, make you ask, which day you come this village?
You see
What
the,
do they do?
Okay.
Now from there we go start most of these things.
the
Governor come, he address the people. The Enoge was there. Many vigilantes were there. Many hunters were there. The head of various villages were there. They talk together. They even assure governor, say, even themselves, don't go that forest. They don't see where the people there. Because since we were born with the sea llama, we never see where the real llama for inside thick forest. Now along the road with the sea llama they pass. If you even get farm along the road and the llama want enter your farm, they go use the stick where he carry, go hit am. That one go come up for, he go know what he tell am. So this one will be like say na inside bush you go dey stay so. Me no believe say na only llama that they do.
okay, we'll come.
That they do those kidnapping and
Okay.
all those sort of things.
We go come to that. See, the issue of kidnapping now, look, I don't mention it now. I want to like say they make everybody dey fear. Amotekun na dey for the Yoruba side. They get their own. So now get our own this side, those to join vigilante and the rest. Now, the Amotekun people don't talk say, may they come out for their farm. When they are carried to look for talk at that time, the whole government go meet and they come look and say, okay, now true, may they come provide them. You understand? Before the visit the worst, they go know who be who. They don't just make them look about, we go know who na be before na come they work for here. The man when we say they in charge for Amotekun for that place, when we say they call Olatunji Adeniyi, he say they don't drive when they come out for their farm. He say now they don't come out, so they go anywhere like Edo and the rest. They don't drive, they come out. The nearest place to Edo, to Ondo, not the Edo. All of them they come this side. How prepared is the Edo State joint vigilante group to make sure say once they don't come Edo now, we fit catch them or we fit drive them come out for Edo State?
Thank you very much, my brother, for that question. You can see Nigeria, we are one in this country. By special grace of God, as I earlier said, anybody is free to live anywhere if they are good. If I want to use good English, I will say if they are patriotic citizens of this country.
Okay.
And as you want to live for the area, any place where you want to go and meet the leaders or the elder who did that community. We come see what we dey look for. We dey look for house, we dey look for ground to farm, we dey look for ground to stay. If all those one look you say you dey clean and you no get am for bad thing, they go fit give you land to stay. You dey see mala people, dem dey rear cow for Ogbuoko, dem dey deeper life with them. Those one don dey there for how many years? They dey superior, they also dey Asoro Hill. They don dey there, they live like brother and sister. Those one no dey talk anybody. But you where you come, you wan come do bad thing, and you dey inside bush, say na for there you wan come do the kidnap people. As I just said, Edo joint vigilante group, we are prepared by anything, by thing, physically, diabolically, by anything.
Anyway, they won't pass when they pass call.
If na air they pass, we be ready.
Okay.
If na up they pass, we be ready. If na spirit they be, we be ready. That bush where they stay, by special grace of God, we don dey do some work. No be everything I go talk come out for air.
Okay,
because they say they still dey lis ten to us as I dey.
Okay, how will you talk this matter now? I first tell you that I say the mode of recruitment. How I say they get these people? How I say they know the people when this one now they recruit, enter the Edo State vigilante group. Because the one don't they hear now. We say now some people when we say their hand not even clean before, and they do for inside this matter.
Thank you, my brother Sabi. as you see, this recruitment will do so. We have a retired police officer on it. We have a retired DSS. We have other people, and we don't give everybody form, make them feel. For now, that form we will carry on ahead, give Oga. Then they will carry and go screen. DSS must screen us. Nigeria police must only come and screen us. Those one with bad elements, where they inside, must only be removed away. And the screening.
Before they can remove them, I just they go don't cause some kind of havoc and the rest.
I know for now.
Because we dey hear now say this thing. Okay, Mr. Sabo, they come back to you. We dey hear now say as it even be some people even dey when they be say yes, say they don't decide the system, they don't force themselves into their own normal group when they before court groups. That they even use them as an avenue now. Say don't they and government already give their arm. Go they even use until they attack rival groups.
That one, what you see there na proper lie.
Okay.
Because for that one say dem dey like this, all those vigilante men say they wan go dey attack other group. My brother.
No be say other group, other people they won't be say they dey for they be cultists, some of them be cultists.
I not still believe like you said. You know why? All those cultists what we don't see say that they kill. No one where they don't use long gun kill.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
So I don't believe that one.
Okay.
But that within them, there might be still be some
bad
people were not good. Every 12, they said to Judah go there. And that is why, like he said, he did there. Other security people where don't know this thing before retire, did there. From time to time, those people, they come out. Then when you don't say you don't be member, and you don't do something bad, now they remove you. They will put you in a very tight corner. They will watch you for a very long time to show say you don't change or you don't change. You understand? Right. And so definitely there must be one or two persons within them where that they use them for courtesan. Okay. Because none of those people don't see
it's okay. We they try to get somebody when we say don't forget they try to reach us all the way from UK. So once we say we don't get our phone, they go talk to us because if they get experience when we say they go like to share with us. Be matter when we say concern some people when we say they for inside the Edo State Joint Vigilante team. But that said, more look the issue when we say it concern these communities. Odigi community, Onwa community, and the rest. When they for along that road, then they pass, they go Ondo State.
Yes.
And Ondo, that border, that place there, before you walk out 10 states, they enter Ondo, so to speak. And they don't drive people, they come this side. How prepared are you, farmers, when we say they for that line? Because remember that time, say for Issa or one, where we say they do yam, plantain and the rest, we hear say some people they kill some farmers. We even hear the other time say some policemen go there, they will kill one or two policemen. Yes. At that time we say heavy protest, they come there inside. If police don't feel give you cover, what you feel? How you feel say people when we say the vigilante feel take giving a cover? Or what not they do when different from what they do before? When we say we feel making them safe.
I think that one I just start just now say when you see new people for your community, we go quick tell each other. We go quick tell the vigilante.
Actually, they see the new people they see. They say before you say Moki don't see you.
No.
But that Moki first see you.
Most of these people, they don't just come that they can attack.
No.
They still study the place as it be. They still come look am. Sometimes somebody go bring bike home, he go come buy rice today or buy granite from store. Tomorrow you see the same person, he come again. You know say not there, that's your village. You must that one you go take note say people don't come here. And two, when me at the farm, I see people pass my farm and road not the that side where they go so. If I don't fit challenge them, if I reach out, it's good make a talk. See what I see today for my farm. So that people go know say road be not the that side. Now river the that side. And that one will be the river where everybody they go draw water. Yeah. So with those one we go know say something they happen. If they drive them from Ondo, we will drive them from Edo. That one very simple. But how we want to drive them, it not be the one where we go to talk for radio or television like he said. Even some people, I believe say some people even those communities where they do kidnapping, do all those ones where they help them. It's not go possible say they don't know bush pass us, they don't know bush where they born me. Where me they
Now
go.
you talk out with your mouth, say for every 12 there's a Judah.
Yes.
Obviously, but that Judah did that man come before today, for this matter big like this.
That is why
So
the last
they-
meeting where we had
they-
secretly with our people, we tell them make them go swear put.
Okay.
Anybody where they all these villages where in the CDC they participate, make them go swear put.
When I job, okay, one chief for one community, when he did there, somebody run government and say, see you, they don't enter a farm, they don't take out to chop all the plant or that kind of thing, say everything don't destroy, that kind of thing. And the man come and say, since when you say you don't day here as this subject, where don't they farm for that farm? See, don't come give me anything for this my palace before. Now when you say yes, say they don't carry what do they call them? Cow enter your place, don't chop your farm, and I come they cry, come meet me. May you go face your matter by yourself. And at the end of every year, they bring one cow, come they give this man, when be the king, or be the John Way, or be Nogi, or whatever it be say be for the community. That kind of thing, when be say, say the person, when he be say, it is something they follow the final, you go ever see him.
You don't go see him. That is why I tell you just now say.
So if that the John
Not
Way
talk
said,
say,
if that the John Way
not talk
said, that kind of
say,
thing.
not talk say it never concern me. Wetin never concern you today, it go concern you tomorrow, or it go even concern your brother, or it go concern your friend. Now I take start just now say, not talk say the thing never concern me, oh, because it never concern me, I not go talk about that one. Such a John Were or leader of community where do that one, he still get person where they follow and what we call Azukpoge for Azukpoge. Everybody know if it be like that. They go still tell and say what he talk, what he do, no good. I know our villages, they know they look your eye, take tell you say you doing well. And two, if you be stranger, I give you land. I supposed to go tell Odionwe say, my land where this so place. I don't give out to so person. Oh, now they farm for there. You get sometimes where they hold meeting, sometimes once a month. It's still good, make you still go that meeting. They go no say, yes, this person where they bring that day. Oh. Now here, if they are more, then the day will declare the road to the farm, we declare road to farm now, at least once a year. If you not go join them clear, you still pay for a job for that day. People will still recognize you, say you contribute to the clearing of the road to your farm. So most of these things, these are the way where we will fit solve them. If you say, you not concern now Sado farm they go, the day where they go my farm will call. Or the day where I go Sado go see plantain give me again. If you don't see give me, never affect me.
Okay, just the joint vigilante group. Now one this when we say we see I travel the other day, I passed this Benin Auchi road. I reach what I would like one day and I be the hub of this whole thing. And then when they hear say people they carry people they enter Rokusa or Bada or Bagi, all those roads they for that side. Where would they go now? The next one we say we see now be some of these vigilante people with their long guns and the rest, they beg, say, give me food, chop. And I say, they not tell me, Thomas Ado, somebody stop, they give them bread, give them bag of water. And if they give them all this kind of a thing, you know if you say yes, they feel compromise them to do something. Or secondly, to when don't they ask, say, give me food, they nobody give them food. The government they say yes, they protect them when they protect when they pass through. Not just they feel come turn out against these travelers and the rest. So with that kind of a thing, you can't show say yes, say how not they remunerate them, how not they encourage them, how not they take care of them. Because that man saying that day, it's so nice that put, and I saw him. They made it for the road. Two of them I see when they say yes, they do this beg, and they give them something. Don't you know that one feel make their head no work out the way it's supposed to be for this kind of matter.
All right, thank you. You say your INEC this year.
Yeah.
That is why we will display number for screen.
Okay.
We will tell people any complaint you see about us for this job, let us know so that we will quickly tackle the complaint.
Okay, we go put the number there because the number we will show the number just when we say you go call.
If you be say those one that you see and say they beg for those say give me water, give me food.
No be violence, so they not use force.
Me myself, I never see them.
Okay.
I see the waka round.
No, when we hear say you're not head of intelligence for those things, we hear say oh God, they call everybody go maintain that.
No, nobody will know how they come.
No.
My movement, not be like say they will know how they come.
Okay.
If as I did for studio, so nobody knows how they come studio.
Okay.
Maybe if they watch television, they see me say I did studio. If I want go all those waka, I know they tell them say I dey come. I know if you use my motor, I fit use other thing take waka take reach that place. But for now, by special grace of God, all those ones where they talk, maybe they call us, they report to us anytime when they say any of our men they do something wrong.
Okay, how long can they take care of them?
For now.
No,
For now, how should they take care of them now? All of us will have something doing. Every one of us you see in this group now, all of us will have something doing. None of us is a beggar.
Okay.
None of us.
But that one they show the sign of begging.
No, that's not what you talk. All fingers are not equal.
Okay.
The main people are there who will take care of them in every zone, in every department. Like me now, my area now, and my people, I mean they take care of them. And most of them they get work what they see they do, what they see they take get money. So from now, once all those things go on, I believe all of them will be on.
Sun they shine now. They dey for inside the sun. They beg for ice, water to drink, and the rest. By the time we say rain come, they fall. And that kind of say, where you be so they go stay for inside under the rain.
Security work is either under the sun or under the rain. If rain dey fall, let's see where they work. If you dey inside the rain.
That matter me say if rain no fall, cold no dey come. Once rain fall, na cold come. That's it. Be that one.
No, once rain fall, cold come. They change duty. Okay. It cannot be there for 48 hours.
Or 24 hours.
24 hours. No, with the change duty. So, step by step, let the thing go. Either rain fall or sun shine. If rain fall, chief fit come out.
Okay.
If sun shine too much, chief fit come out. You don't say rain dey fall, that's security work, so you no go do one. You go dey inside the rain.
Okay.
And you go do one.
All right. May I come to you, my brother? You know one person will say, by virtue of your experience or where you from come, you don't see many things that when we say concern to be a local government commissioner when they charge of local government affairs. That means say the security of these places, you don't know how to take care of the architecture. I want to find out from you, my brother, in this kind of thing, those vigilante people, in what way if we say the people will fit accept them? How many people they don't come meeting and say gonna bring because they hear say the recruitment. They never said that's how it is the people. They hear say people just go there go volunteer so they want to recruit. Maybe not go to that one later. But now people they know that people are among the vigilante.
They know how people are south.
People the vigilante will be say they come to do the work. Now they get some for that place now.
Yes.
There will be people now the one between they bring off on I've been on people will be say they for that community.
No, now the one were there for our community, like he said now.
So that means you know them.
Yeah, very well.
So now know them now. How much they encourage them from our own side?
As of today, like my brother said, for my area, they get job. Like when governor come that day, they tell governor say, we were vigilante, we will be hunters. Oga, one time come for farmers input, make you still remember us.
Okay.
If we are remembered during all those things, we will still get that.
So they volunteer. That means they still come out at any time.
They not go come out. You know why they not go come out? No, you know why they not go come out? The reason why they not go come out that, like he said, when all this profiling is completed, there is going to be some little stipend from them, from government. You understand? So if they can do it for 2 years now, 1 year, almost free of charge, I do not see when the thing is now coming to an end where they are going to be recognized, they will now come out. But as he said, some will definitely be removed.
Okay.
If you are not strong enough, you can now say, okay, join for patrol. Okay. You are not strong enough now to be in a beat. Okay. So these things are being done systematically, small, and as you also be too. You know, see some people now sit down here now. He go come up for here now. He go know the area where he go. Right. He will just say, let me go to this area today, and he go that area. Some people they like that. So for now they are doing. For our area now we have 2 groups: the vigilante, again the hunters. You understand?
May I come back to you, my brother? Because if you look the matter when they say concern this recruitment, then with the fear for this recruitment, the people when they say they go do profiling and that kind of thing. By the time they say people don't already know this bullshit, don't they go around and that kind of thing now? When I cast some of them, when I get police, when I be saying I don't give police. We don't hear cases or say police they give them people criminals or people be say they fake catch before they say deal with them. They later come see this kind of people for street again. Is it that now they work hand in hand well with police? I've been waiting because now I'm saying I don't catch them. They go give them. I'll tell you the matter of Ohun the other day. When they catch some people, the Okarigile of that place, they come back, come out later, say, police come in, they say, these people want to arrest them. What did they do? Now, don't say they say they kidnap anybody before. People want to kidnap and go bring them come. So you say the thing come like say, now what you call they discourage them. Because these are people when we say they arrest a company with some people, they go break off from both. So this kind of thing now, how it go be? What is your relationship with the police?
Thank you, brother, for that one. If you arrest criminal and you arrest them, exhibit, you kind of do police.
Okay.
You go follow up. The follow up, you say, no, just can't go for that place, say no complainant. Police go, they call you, say, they call that statement, you know, go that statement. Then if you know that statement, police wait for some time. They don't get out to detain a person for long like that. You know, say, he will now human rights agency, now
we did now.
So,
but this matter of the home, let's never understand that. They arrested the people. What they arrest to, now people they call now people come and go side, but they come arrest, they come be 5. They hand them all of them give now.
No, but that's the book capture local government. Hey, thank you. That's one way they talk about. They cannot be police. You know, say law did everything. According to the investigation, those go where they say they've seen they say no be proper exhibit. Say na hunters gone. But as the court release them, me myself, I no go see understand.
Okay.
Because none of us that kind of go police.
They say they be hunter them and the rest. Who give their last minute they come hunt for you? Because the people when they search their pocket, they bring ID cards, come and say they be hunters from Kano State. You understand? So they are bit that the hunters permission they give them for Kano State. Now come still carry the rich here.
And police go ask those questions.
So that be the thing now. That be the
commissioner of police for Edo State. Then you go ask this question.
Okay, so that people they find out the relationship between now and police
Because they're supposed to fit do kidnapping.
Our relationship.
So the police now
and
go
then
ask
we
those
shut down for
questions.
their hand too.
Our relationship with the police is very good because anyone will carry they follow the case up.
Okay.
We not be push over.
Okay.
When the police will carry the case go give police. And the police they do our case over. That don't matter home. Now commissioner of police and the police now go ask why they release them. Because we have right to arrest.
Okay.
We no get right to prosecute.
Okay.
Because our own to arrest, we hand out to police, then we go watch our police want to do the case. If they do and say we don't like them, we will see come
Because you talk just and say you don't understand that it take freedom.
we don't understand that they freedom. So the commissioner of police will go ask that question.
Okay.
That will come
That one not reach to even the story, you not reach to discourage people like Una.
my brother, they say na river dey keep person. Na the same water they still dey drink.
Okay.
You no go fit discourage them.
Okay.
Because if we catch another one and go give her now, they want to do and they do that one. We go stand, go protest.
Okay, somebody did land. More take this call. Hello, good morning. We don't say add the calls. We're going to take calls now. We will put the number there. But now 2 numbers we go put. One number we say if we take callers, and towards the end of our discussion, we'll go put another number. When we say if we take reach our people there for the Edo State Joint Vigilante Group, so that they will know how we say they talk to that matter and the rest. Somebody they like, hello, good morning. Yeah, who will they talk with? I mean, now let's say you raise your voice up small, maybe they hear you well.
Am I up to more than one?
No, when I program they listen to now. Good morning from Benin. We know they hear you well, you go help us, my brother. But if you want to talk, you go call us and make you open your voice. Maybe say we they hear you, so we go know what in be say a day. Because my people they make they answer the questions they when we say you go raise. And another person there for line now, make we ask him now, say, my brother, good morning. Hello? Hello, good morning. Help us reduce the volume of your television. Good morning. Who will they talk with?
You are talking to Mr. Pamuko.
Okay, what do you want to know?
I just want to make these two gentlemen.
Okay.
What they are doing, I think,
Okay.
even without government support, they have decided to go on their own to save lives and property in Edo State. May God Almighty continue to bless you people and protect you against these criminal people in Jesus' name.
Amen. Okay, if they give commendation to you, even it's part of the commendation to you, Oga Sagbo, because the kind of suggestions they want to say, you they bring, they come. Before we go take this another call, bless somebody. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, who will you talk with?
This is Mr. Danjuma.
Oga Danjuma, talk to us.
I'm coming from Aduawa. I think this all those people who are talking hunter. They are kidnappers too.
Okay.
That the car is permitted from Abuja. It's not permitted from Benin yet.
Okay.
You're supposed to talk about it. It's not good.
It's okay. Thank you very much. You see, the hunters, BC, the man they talk about now. You see, some people will come, you see, they be hunters and the rest. They enter people bush. For our side there, before they become hunter, now they give them permission. But the one we bring, say, yes, they give us, say, they call for Kafachan. Say, now they forgive them, whether they call our license. Now go take that out and play all the hunts.
We thank Danjuma for what he talk. I think that is what we said just now. Say, now police go answer that question.
Okay.
Whether somebody go get permission for Kanu or Katsina or Zamfara to come Edo to come and hunt, and you not go tell anybody for Edo, go join the bush. And if you even see the meat where they go bring out sometimes, why they see for Oluku here, sometimes go not even do the body of the meat.
Okay.
Which means they can even see meat for somebody trap and carry.
Okay.
If you don't go let you talk because they get gone.
Okay.
So make we stop these things. Make police join us stop most of these things. See, if you get license for gun or for hunter, you get ID card. You are not from Edo.
No fun. No do your work for Edo State.
You must let us know before you start to do your work in Edo.
Okay. Hello.
Simple.
Okay. Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah. Good morning, madam.
I just want to contribute my own little part.
Will they hear you? Carry on.
Those vigilantes, not as if they are not, they try you. The thing is that they should control them.
Okay.
Like the one I watched on you people television this morning about killing 4 people. It was too much. I know it's a crime that they committed, but at least they would have put some of them at the next side so that they can confess to the crime.
Okay.
They are trying very well. And also, those people that recruited them to fight crime in a state, they should try as much as people to enhance them financially so that they will carry out their duties very, very well. That's people using them. That is my contribution.
Thank you very much. They make reference to what happened for Eriri quarters. Say, you get some people when they say they fight, that say they call one name Julius there or so they get issue and the rest. So the vigilante go there at the end of the day. Some people were killed in the process. The vigilante, they go when they say again to protect people and to they kill people.
Now vigilante kill those.
Because they get the way they want to talk about them. Continue. No, vigilante kill them.
Vigilante kill them.
Okay.
Vigilante go there, go rescue people.
Okay.
And with the Nigerian police,
Okay.
which is area commander at Ogba.
Okay.
And so not be vigilante kill those people.
Okay. Because this is the day now.
Like, not be vigilante kill those people at all.
Okay, they go on the carry. Okay, they go on the carry. What is something they do?
They take and they protect people.
Okay.
And if the criminal want exchange gun with us,
Okay.
we will still use our own for that.
Okay.
And we know they take and if but how can we come out? We are not the criminal. We take and they protect people for the area.
It's all right. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning. My name is Joy.
Joy, welcome.
From Kamaro.
How you did this morning?
Fine. I want to contribute for what you and they talk.
We there with you. Carry on.
Some things happen for already when they for four Fulani ex with car together. But I really comment for those vigilantes. And another thing, don't show that people when they barrack. Because a lot of people they carry their duty work. Because if they see them like that, because they be after they put them inside barrack.
Okay.
So they find solutions to all those things.
Okay, thank you, Joy. The governor do meeting yesterday with the Hausa community, and they come and say those things not be here if for happen. All on social media, this thing should not be here if for happen. So if the Hausa community can come and say they no get for that kind of matter, we no say they no get for that kind of matter. And the way it be say will be, we no hear of cases of say they kill this thing for inside that, and so far what we don't hear. But I went to the governor. They talk yesterday with the Seriki Hausawa. We say they talk yesterday when we say we hear. Most of this other call before we say we'll carry on for our discussion. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Who will they talk with?
Joe
All right, but this morning.
Yeah, sure. Well, in the time. I commend them. They try.
Okay.
We commend them. When we see them in the travel.
Okay.
And they get question when I want to ask people.
Ask the question.
Because they get some people they catch for Ghana side that time. How they go to do them?
When they catch for where?
The Ghana period.
Okay.
How they go to their matter.
All right, thank you very much. Okay, now you the question I go me. Since some people don't miss the catch for a Gara that time. When people say they get hand for Babatin and vigilante catch them. See what will be the level now? How it come be now?
Those who were handed over to the police.
Okay.
The complainer from Igara, they have to follow up that matter. Because they carry them go. So they were handed over to the police at Edo State here. So the matter is under police custody. Thank you.
Okay, we get somebody for line. We go talk to them. Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I better reduce the volume of a television or walk away from there. But the law say everybody get right to stay anywhere we want to stay, as long as say you dey peaceful. So that one go still hard us to look. Because if you ask anybody that say, I mean they don't get right to Mondosagbogo, they get right to move now as long as say yes they be peace loving people. I mean
That is the issue.
so the constitution of the federal republic say they fit go anywhere they want to stay.
So far, you obey the rules of that area you are.
But how many of them they obey the rules of the area?
That is why if you not obey, you go.
Okay. So before we come out here now, which have the message you say you go get for tell people or that Monday side?
Well, the message first of all now to thank the people of the state, the vigilantes, the hunters, the individuals. We thank all of them that this one also obey work, not be one man work. Make all of us put hand for the vigilante to know what they happen, for the hunters to know what they happen. Not just believe say Monrovia don't hear, Monrovia don't know,
Okay.
or Sado don't know, go talk am for television,
Okay.
or Sabovo don't know, go tell government. Just let us know the truth. Then when you dey phone, not tell me say na so I see here.
Okay.
When I ask you question, say which exact place this thing take place or where it happen.
Somebody
Or
tell me say.
you say na so I see here. Not just call me for that one.
Okay, no problem. These are the numbers when we say we go to use for the Edo State Joint Vigilante Group. Once you call that number, people like my brother here, Lucky Minovia, he go answer you and the rest. But not be say, yes, say, madam, he say, you hear madam get an issue. Madam say no go agree today. Because say madam no agree last night. Now you can call, say, you want to call Lucky Minovia, say, madam no agree, oh, how be say we go do? I don't just know that kind of matter. Another kind of matter.
No be that kind of matter.
Okay.
No be the call us.
So which kind of matter take on now? What you wanted
The
to
matter wey go call us up be say if you know say something wey be criminal matter wey go.
no be crime, madam say no.
If matter say no better.
No be crime.
No, my God say no you better. One don happen for head na as I dey waka here make dey try for his house. I think say na armed robber dey there. When I enter the compound door from window. When dey happen the man say be that now say na vigilante. He say I no worry my brother I'm with my wife. Now say I thank God say I with your wife. But when you open door come out, I wan see you face to face. Me I no say criminal no dey with you for side. They fit bail up you. Tell me the truth. You open door come out now tell the matter say they carry with your oga.
Okay.
I comot.
It's all right. Thank you so much when we say you come here. We get the belief say from time to time we say they call you. Maybe so you come to tell us with the way things they go. But you get what we say, my brother talk about profiling of people and the way we say they give the identity, mean they take know each other. And I know say yes, you know one person say you want ideas, and some of these ideas we now go use them. That encouragement still dey to when people they call. When I encourage people so that if they come out, if they volunteer, they work, at least maybe they say get water they drink. Now we still push them. When they still do. Oga Lucky Minovia, thank you so much. Oga Monday, Osagbo, by the time we say we'll come here next time, we're not going to talk about this matter. We say concern vigilante again. We concern insecurity for Digi and the rest. That's a celebration. We call it celebration. I mean, not be so.
So.
We'll take small break. When we come back, continue for what we say with some. No going anywhere. Name of the program, Good Morning from Benin, and that number use and where anytime we say you get issue where it concern insecurity. Stay with us.